Exercise 12.1. Question number 1. Solve the following linear programming problems graphically. We have to solve linear programming problems graphically. First question, maximize. First question is maximize z. That is our objective. Objective function 3x plus 4y. Very simple basic question is there. We have to maximize z 3x plus 4y and subject to constants are given. Given subject to constants are x plus y less than or equal to 4 and non-negative constants x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 given. Done. What is the meaning of this non-negative constants? Non-negative constants, that means we have to consider our first quadrant only. Our solution will be in first quadrant only. Done. So here only one subject to constant is given and we have to maximize our objective function z. So here we have to start with the given subject to constant. It is in the form of inequation. So first what we are doing, writing this inequality in form of equation. So it's x plus y equal to 4. And we have to draw the graph. This x plus y equal to 4 is nothing but the equation of straight line. Here you can divide this equation with 4. It's x by 4 plus y by 4 equal to 1. And this is the equation of straight line in the form of x by a, y plus y by b equal to 1. Done. So this is the equation of line passing from the 2 points a equal to 4. So it's a 4 0 and b equal to 4. It's a 0 4. Equation of line passing from these 2 points 4 0 and 0 4. है ना. ये समझ में नहीं आता है तो हम जो डायरेक्टली करते हैं इक्वेशन वाली मेथड से वो भी कर सकते हो, है ना. बारी बारी से x 0 लो y 0 लो, वो भी कर देते हैं. चलो कोऑर्डिनेट बॉक्स ड्रॉ करते हैं. Writing x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinates and y coordinate. Take the different values of x and y. Suppose if you are taking x equal to 0, put x equal to 0, corresponding value of y is 4. If you take y equal to 0, corresponding value of x is 4. Done. So it's a 0 4 4 0. Now we have to draw our graph. In exam we have to draw graph in graph paper. सप्लीमेंट्री के लास्ट पेज पर आपको एक ग्राफ दिया होगा. दिख रहा है कुछ? नहीं. है ना. लास्ट पेज पर ग्राफ पेपर मिलेगा बोर्ड की सप्लीमेंट्री में. This is our x axis, this is our y axis. This is our origin 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Done. Now simple, very simple. 2 points are there, x0 y4, x0 y4 0 4, x4 y0 4 0. So this is the equation of straight line and this straight line is passing from these 2 points. So draw the graph of this straight line. This will be like this. है ना. straight line draw करनी है. This is our graph of x plus y equal to 4 equation. Done. Now we have to find our region, solution of region. Done. It's a bounded. So here feasible region is x plus y लेस देन इक्वल टू 4, लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4, इसलिए हमने सॉलिड लाइन ड्रॉ की. डन. सिर्फ लेस देन होगी तो हमें डॉटेड लाइन यूज करनी पड़ती. इट्स x plus y लेस देन इक्वल टू 4. कंसिडर दिस ओरिजिन. कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर 0 0. पुट 0 0 over here. So 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 4. Whether it is true or false, this is true. Done. This inequality is true for this origin. And hence, we can say that solution region of this straight line, solution region of this straight line, or we can say solution region of this inequality towards the origin. And we have to consider non-negative constants. So positive first quadrant only. So solution region is this one. This is the solution region for this first one. This is our feasible region. This is our feasible region. Now we know that maximum value and minimum value of this objective function z occurs at only corner points. So how many corner points are there? 3 corner points are there. This is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. Total 3 corner points are there. So we have to check the value of our objective function at this corner point, and for that we have to draw one table. टेबल ड्रॉ करते हैं. Done. This is value of corner point, and here we have to find the value of z. What is z? It's a 3x plus 4y. Total 3 corner points are there. First point is A04. A04. Second point is B, that is our origin, 0 0. And third point is C, 4 0. Find the value of our objective function at this corner point. Put x 0, y 4. It's a 4 4 is 16. Done. 0 0. So it's a 0. And put x equal to 4 and y equal to 0. So it's a 12. Here you have to maximize our objective function z. So maximum value of z occurs at which corner point? This one, A04. That means x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. No? We have to write the answer like this. For x equal to 0 and y equal to 4, or z is maximum. Z is maximum. In case if you are asked to find the minimum value, then we have to write the minimum value of this. For x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, value of z is minimum, and that minimum value is 12. Done. What is the maximum value of z? Z is maximum, and our z is equal to 16 is the answer. Done. Maximum value of z is 16. Clear? So this is a very basic question of this linear programming problem. प्रोसीजर समझ में आ गया सबको? हाँ, ये हमारा बाउंडेड रीजन है. दो केस आएंगे, बाउंडेड आएंगे या फिर अनबाउंडेड आएंगे. डन. बाउंडेड में भी ऑप्शन हो सकता है कि ये पूरी जो स्ट्रेट लाइन है ना, कोई भी एक लाइन, वो भी हमारा सॉल्यूशन रीजन है, तो इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस विल बी देयर. क्लियर? ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ना टोटल 6 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आएगा. सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन एक ही मेथड से करने हैं, तो ये मार्क्स नहीं जाने चाहिए बोर्ड में, है ना. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. दिस इज फॉर मिनिमाइज और ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन z. मिनिमाइज ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन z, that is minus 3x plus 4y. This is our objective function. Subjective constants are given. The given subjective constants are x plus 2y, x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, and non-negative constants are also there. है ना, ये ऑलवेज दिए होंगे आपको. x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. Done. So now two inequalities are given. So we have to draw the line. These are the straight line. So linear inequalities are there. So we are getting the graph as a straight line. So now, first one, writing this inequality as a straight line, as an equation. So x plus 2y equal to 8. Done? Now, coordinate box. Values of x and y. Now, put x equal to 0. If you are taking x equal to 0, corresponding value of y is 4. X equal to 0, so y will be 8 by 2, 4. If we take x equal to 2, x equal to 2, so 8 minus 2, 6 by 2. So value of y equal to 3. Done? Second, second inequality is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Now for this one, take x equal to 0. If we take x equal to 0, y will be 6. If we take y 0, then x will be 4. Done? So now we can draw the graph for this both of these straight line. Coordinate axis. This is the origin. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done? ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं. First x0 y4, this one, x0 y4, and x2 y3, x2 y3. Done? एंड देखो यहाँ पर y0 पुट करो तो x8 आएगा, तो ये यहाँ से 8 में से पास होने वाली लाइन ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी आपको. ये कुछ यहाँ पर आएगा. आप ग्राफ पेपर में ड्रॉ करेंगे, परफेक्ट ग्राफ आएगा आपका, है ना. ये मेरा अप्रोक्सीमेट आ रहा है. इट्स x प्लस 2y इक्वल टू 8. x0 y4 अभी भी रॉन्ग किया, है ना. ये अप्रोक्सीमेट आ रहा है, वो आप देख लेना. और यहाँ पर दूसरा आएगा, 0 0 लिया ना, इसलिए x0 y6, तो ये यहाँ से आएगा x4 y0, ये यहाँ से आएगा. Done? Now we have to find our feasible region. So for that we have to check this inequality. Consider this origin 0 0. So 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 8, whether it is true or false. This one is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So if we take consider our origin, so origin satisfies this inequality. Yes, true. So we can say solution region of this straight line is towards the origin. Origin के towards होगा. For this inequality, put origin 0 0. So it's a 0 less than or equal to 12. This is again true. इसका solution region भी कहाँ पर होगा? Towards the origin. Done? And non-negative constants x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So our solution region कौन सा होगा? इसके नीचे और इसके नीचे, and first quadrant. So this will be our feasible region. Done? This is bounded region, and here we can say total 4 corner points are there, and that 4 corner points are, this one is 0 4. Let's say point A 0 4. This is origin O 0 0. This is point B 4 0, and this is the intersection point है ना, ए बी सी, intersection point of this both the graph फाइंड करना पड़ेगा वो. डन. सो व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट यहाँ पर फाइंड करें. इट्स x plus 2y equal to 8, and the second equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. डन. 2y है, साइन चेंज करके सब्ट्रैक्शन कर दो, है ना, ये माइनस ये माइनस ये माइनस, so this 2y will be cancel out. X minus 2x equal to 8 minus 12 minus 4, so x will be 2. Put it over here, x 2, so y will be 8 minus 2, 6 by 2, 3. So these are the intersection point of these two lines. So coordinates of this point C are 2 and 3. Done. These are the 4 corner points of this feasible region. This is bounded feasible region. Done. So our minimum value of z will occur at these corner points. कहाँ पर occur करेगी? Corner point पर, है ना, ये हमारा feasible region. This is a feasible region, and here total 4 corner points are there. Done. So we are checking the values of our objective function at these corner points. For that we have to draw table. लास्ट में आपको ऐसे टेबल बनाना ही है. Corner points and value of z. Total 4 corner points are there. A 0 4, then origin O 0 0, B 4 0, and C 2 3. Done. Our objective function z is minus 3x plus 4y. Now for this corner point A 0 4, x equal to 0, y equal to 4. So this one is 16. ये 16 होगा. 0 0 पर ये 0, 4 0 पर minus 12, and 2 3 पर minus 6 plus 3 4 12, 6 होगा. Done. What is the question? We have to minimize our objective function. So minimum value of our objective function z occurs at which corner point? It occurs at B, है ना. This is the minimum value of our objective function. कहाँ है B? This one. So here x equal to 4 and y equal to 0 is the solution of this linear programming problem, and minimum value of the z is minus 12. Then minimum value of z occurs at 4 0, and the minimum value is minus 12. क्वेश्चन चेंज कर दे, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आपको पूछे तो आपका आंसर आएगा ये. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ z occurs at the point 0 4, maximum value 16 at x equal to 0 and y equal to 4 is the answer. Done. अभी आ गया समझ में सबको? चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, है ना, सेम मेथड से करना है, फिर भी हम करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. Question number 3. So here we have to maximize our objective function z. Maximize z 5x plus 3y. We have to maximize our objective function. Subject to constraints are, given subject to constraints are 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15, 5x plus 2y less than equal to 10, and x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. डन. दो स्ट्रेट लाइन मिलेगी, सॉल्यूशन रीजन फाइंड करना है, आंसर लाना है. लास्ट समय किया था वही करना है. सो नाउ first in equation, writing given in equation as equation. So it's a 3x plus 5y equal to 15. 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Coordinate box x y. If we take x0 है ना, 0 लेके करेंगे तो अच्छा होगा. x0 y3 and y0 x3 5 is 15 5. Done. Second one. 5x plus 2y equal to 10. So here coordinate box is put x equal to 0, x0, then y5, y equal to 0, x will be 2. ये तो सिंपल हो गया है ना. ग्राफ ड्रॉ करें. जीरो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is our x-axis, this is y-axis. Done. First graph. Here the given line is 3x plus 5 equal to 15, x0 y3, x0 y3 here 0 3, x5 y0, it's a 5 0. Done. दोनों को ज्वाइन करें. This is the graph of first line 3x plus 5y equal to 50. Our second line x0 y5, x0 y5 0 5, x2 y0 से 2 0. डन. इसका ग्राफ आएगा कुछ ऐसे. दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ द लाइन 5x plus 2y equal to 10. Now we have to find the feasible region. So we'll consider this origin, whether this origin satisfies this half plane or not. So take 0 0. So it's a 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 15. This is true. So solution region of this line will be towards the origin. And iska origin ke towards. Now for this line again origin. So 0 0 less than or equal to 10. Again it is true. So solution region will be towards the origin. So common solution will be iska bhi towards origin, iska bhi towards origin, and non-negative constants we have to consider first quadrant. So this one is feasible region. Done. This is our feasible region. इतना आएगा. So for this feasible region, how many corner points are there? A, origin, B, and C. So coordinates of this point A are, coordinates of A are 0 3. Coordinates of this origin are 0 0. Coordinates of this point B are 2 0, and this is intersection point of this both of the graph that we have to find. Then we have to solve this one. कैसे करेंगे? So here this one is 3x plus 5y equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y equal to 10. तो इसको करने के लिए दोनों को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 5 और इसको 3. So this will be 15x plus 25y equal to 75. This one is 15x plus 6y equal to 30. साइन चेंज करो. है ना, ये कट हो जाएगा. So this will be 25 minus 6, 19y, and this will be 40. So value of y is 40 upon 19. है ना, ये कुछ इधर उधर का आ रहा है. Y is there. According to y, we have to find the value of x. सही आ रहा है ना? 3x plus 5y and 5x plus 2y. इसको 5 से किया, इसको 3 से किया. 3 5 से 15. यस, डन. ये y इक्वल टू 40/19 पुट करो इक्वेशन 2 में, या फिर 1 में भी पुट कर सकते हो. सो विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो इट्स 5x plus 2y 80/19 equal to 10. So here 5x will be 10 minus 80 upon 19. So 190, है ना, 19 days है, 190 minus 80. So 190 minus 80, 110 by 5. By 5 into 19. 5 2s are 10, 22 by 19. So x will be 22 by 19. X will be 22 by 19. Done. So here this will be 22 by 19 और ये आएगा 40/19. ये एक बार वेरीफाई कर लेना आंसर सही आ रहा है कि रॉन्ग आ रहा है. डन. सो दिस आर द कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना है आपको? टेबल ड्रॉ करना है. टेबल यहाँ पर ही ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. दिस विल बी अवर टेबल. डन. These are the corner points, and here we have to find the value of z, and 4 corner points are there. 0 3, 0 0, 2 0, और ये आपको वेरीफाई करना है ना, क्योंकि ये कुछ फ्रैक्शन में आ रहा है, मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. सो इसका होगा 22/19, 22/19 और 40/19. Put these values in this objective function and find the maximum value. That will be your answer. क्लियर हो जाएगा इतना?